or its price, yes, yes, go for it, go for it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, what I'm going to share with you guys are two very sexy lingerie. It's a G-strings. So in today's video, we are doing G-strings, panty haul, sexy lingerie haul, underwear haul. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. So my items right now are very sexy. They're all affordable. And I did my online shopping at Shopee. But hindi ako naka-order noong 11. Nakalimot ba, no? Anyway, so new setup, no? It's just in my living room. You know, switch a little bit of angle here from here and there, no? And very simple makeup. Laid back tayo ngayon, vlog style na panty haul. Okay, so na-miss nyo ba ang mga panty haul ko? Naman, mag-subscribe kayo para naman lalago ang ating negosyo. Anyway, you guys, so much for the chit chat. So the first panty is one of my favorite color, right? I guess in this title of this video, we'll do it. Black G-string. What you think? So yes, in this video we are doing all black because I have a a comment saying, oh, why don't you do all black? Okay, let's do black. So this is for you. So whoever made a comment on my channel, yes, this is for you. Okay, first panty, there you go, guys. What diba? G-strings, very sexy, you guys. And yeah, look at that. Right, so again, this is from Shopee, very affordable, under not under $50, under 60 pesos. And yes, it's very cheap, affordable, very convenient also access if you are, right now these days, online shopping is the way to go, right? Okay, so here you go, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wait, I get confused a little bit. Wait, where is the front and where is the back? Oh, here you go. Ano ba yan? Alright guys, ito pala siya. So this is it. This is how you're gonna do it. Actually, this is like similar to my, I think, part 2 video. I will insert it up. Yeah, but this one is like a different design. It has a string. You have both ends. You know, it's just a string. You have to like tie both ends, right, like that. There is a bow, which is different. And let's take this off. Okay, so this is how it looks like for real, right? And then yes, thong. Okay, then remember that part 2? Yes, like that. O, diba? Lubot mong heart, go easy on me. Right? Go easy on this one. Easy on me. I had good intentions. Right, guys? Oh, diba? Very nice. Lace, yes, again. Alright, see-through. G-string see-through. Oh, maganda siya, guys. The design, paano siya? How you call that? Symmetrical something, no? Very nice siya. Like that. Parang net type, no? Meshy type. Right? Maganda siya, right? Very sexy. And then the heart shape, diba? Maano ka dito, guys? Mapakanta ka nitong akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal ng ambot lang. Akin ka na lang. Ay, hindi marunong. O, diba? Diba ang ganda niya? Alright, so that's panty number 1. Are you enjoying it so far? Okay, next panty, you guys. Oh, by the way, I have here Applejack is with me. So, I'll be entertained with Applejack, no? Right? Diba? Applejack, hello Applejack!
Not become popular.
Ayaw ni Yanis magpagamit ng kanyang pickles. Kaya Applejack na lang. Hi Applejack! Okay, you guys, so the next black G-string panty. Are you ready? In 1, 2, 3. Bam! Oy, may tag. Wait. Take 2 tayo, guys. Hala. Wait. Take 2 in 1, 2. Bam! Oh, ha? Ala, nindot siya, no? Ngayon ko lang na notice. Oh, it's about the same. You know, I have like those polka dot ones that I have. I have the orange polka dot. I have the white polka dot. This is like the similar type, but they put like a lace on top of it. You see? This is the difference. Yeah, oh, look at that. And I think this is like a revision of that panty, no? You see, look at that. See the angle? Black, of course. See-through again. Polka dot. Makita pa yung kugmaon. Oh, yes. Okay, alright. Of course, thong-like. Right, G-string. And look at the back, guys. Oh, ha? May pag-gift siya, oh. May pag-gift ribbon. Gift ito sa mga asawa nyo, no? I-gift nyo ng sarili nyo. Diba? Ang ganda siya, guys, no? You will be a gift to your spouse at night. Make your night pleasurable, you know? More fun, more exciting. Yeah. So, this is it. You look at the gut, no? I really like the design. Very intricate. Look at that. Sorry about my nails. Very simple lady here. Okay, so yan. Okay. Right. And then here, go here. Oh, lace. Maganda rin yung ribbon siya, no? Very nice talaga siya, guys. So sexy, yes. And yeah, very affordable. Under 60 pesos lang. Cheap pa siya. You can purchase it online, budget friendly. And I think the materials, this can last long. This is very durable. I don't see any problems with this one. I think this is very, very more quality. This can last long. I think this is good. Yeah, for its price, yes, go for it. Akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang. Alright, you guys, so these are the 2 underwears I have for you for today. I hope you like this video, and from this time on, I prefer more on like a very informal vlogging style type of haul. And for you know, because other people are saying that, oh, why don't you try it on? My videos are all haul. Okay, so haul is not, it's not a try on, it's a haul. Okay, you can do grocery haul, you can do perfume haul, you can do whatever haul you want. It's not about wearing, okay, wearing or trying on. Okay, haul is a different meaning if you may ask me. Google it. What's the meaning of a haul? Alright? Okay, sa mga negative dyan. Alright, so enough for that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.